Another day, another airport pickup. Are you gonna get my garage door from me?
Yes. Shit.
It's way. Yeah, that works.
Here you go.
Sick. Who are we gonna go pick up today?
Mr. Hamadi, aka Justin HTI Gaming.
One of the most famous Forza YouTubers of all time. Makes the most top quality Forza prediction videos, best thumbnails. He's also a really big R32 fanboy, specifically in red out of all colors.
He still thinks I'm at work right now, which is kind of funny.
Yeah, so us gamer boys are gonna go surprise him.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. You got my door for me?
Yes, but go fetch Justin, I guess. Good luck. Bye! Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, bye.
Adding on to our list of airport pickups that we do in the vlogs, Justin here is a big fan of R32s, as I mentioned. So it's only appropriate that we go pick him up in one. We got the boy, Stonix, Bongs, Boinks, whatever you want to call it, rolling up with us. It's a freaking hot summer day. This wind that you guys are hearing, that's blowing, this is completely hot wind right now. And I mean, we're only forced to leave the windows down because this car, I don't think it's ever had AC. I don't know if it's ever gonna have AC, and it currently does not have AC. Justin's holding strong.
Race car.
Welcome to Seattle Tacoma International Airport. Someone is waiting here for us. What are we looking for?
A tall, skinny kid that needs a sandwich.
So basically me. Medics at the airport is never a good thing. Hopefully our boy's not in there.
Where is this dude? I swear to God. Is that him?
Oh, I think we got someone. Think we picked something up.
Holy shit, this is so fucking hot.
Man, wait, first of all, this dude is a tower compared to. Wait, hang on. Lance is like.
I thought he'd be shorter, honestly.
I kind of exaggerated it. Yeah.
It looks so good in person, like holy shit. He's like so surprised seeing it pull up. I was like, dude.
It's not fully red like Justin's profile picture, but it's half red. It's the best I could do.
Hey, see, have fun.
Look, I don't care, bro. It's R32. Shit.
He picked the wrong day and the wrong car to wear full-on long sleeves out here. Yeah, there's not that much room in here. I got my big Bazooka 5000 subwoofer back there, so.
If you move that, you could probably fit.
Wow.
I mean, I was kinda,
This just completely came apart.
Whoa. I told him on Monday, I was like, hey, I gotta go pick up a friend from the airport. I'm not staying no matter what. He called me and like, oh, I was in the store. Well, she's in.
And they say skylines can't be practical. Welcome in.
Oh my god, this is the real, bro.
It's the real Justin HTI Gaming. Do you have any Forza Horizon 5 insider info for us today?
No more than what I had in my most recent. That's all I
Ooh,
can
okay,
do.
go peep
So,
that. Insta shout out right there. Boom.
Yes. Oh, that sounds so good.
Yeah, the seatbelt's kind of like
Yeah, it's
dug
wonky.
down there. Old car stuff. Yeah, a little
Barely
taster.
gassed it too.
Yeah, I know. That was a little bit of a tease.
Wait, fuck. What's that car event in October again? Shit.
SEMA?
Oh, see my balls in your mouth?
Oh my god! He just did that. He just did that right now. Dude, this guy. I just, you know what? I'm gonna give you. I'm done for. I'm done.
Dude, we've been planning that for like 3 weeks. I'm not even shitting.
Seattle perched up majestically right in front of us.
Way better than LA. I don't care what anyone says.
If you guys watching this video ever get a chance to come visit the beautiful city of Seattle, first of all, do it in the summer so that you don't have awful rain to ruin your experience. And second of all, just do it because most people don't realize how pretty and gorgeous the city is. And I take it for granted, but I kind of get to realize it when all my friends visit and they just won't stop talking about how freaking crazy all the green trees and mountains and...
I'm speechless, bro. Like, I live in California. I'm exposed to everything that California has to offer. I fuck with this place so much heavier than anywhere in California, bro.
Yes, sir. So we got our stadiums right over there to the left. One for baseball, one for football. And of course, it's not Seattle without some traffic.
Better than that. I want an R32 so much more now. Oh my god. That was fucking awesome. That alone was worth my plane ticket. Oh, I was fully zoomed in on your face. That's fine. Scream the whole time in the car, like just to be able to talk. I'm not used to that.
Homie's just posting up outside the crib. Oh, I see the scary logo right down there.
It's definitely a scary logo. Made 805 on 92.
Wow.
It's actually detuned. It made 1480.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Dude, Justin just flew in here. He's like, what is going on? Just gotta take in this intercooler. This intercooler spans from the bottom all the way to the top, basically taking up the entire front end. And you said it's good for what power?
The intercooler is good for 2500.
2500.
We'll get there once this motor blows up.
That's the spirit. Oh my god. Just another day at the house, I guess. Dude, yeah, that thing had so much squat.
Ultima go burr.
It works out.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Dude, oh, he's already DJing it up on the Stonic setup in here.
Dude, these headphones are fucking crazy, bro.
I have the bass on max.
How do you put subs in
Dude, this
headphones,
is sick. Dude, Lance has to make more music.
Yes.
I would have no idea what to do with this, but I really want to learn so you guys could get some Jack Ultra beats here.
That's beautiful.
Here's the office, aka the setup. This is, bro, the fans didn't even realize they're getting a setup tour in this vlog.
I forgot, I haven't seen your PC at all yet.
Yeah, it's back
Is
there.
that the famous desk?
Yeah, the desk. This desk has been in every single setup.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know you had the third monitor like propped up on the...
Yeah, third monitor, pictures I took.
Chat for that McLaren stream.
Blueprint thingy, that's beautiful.
Yeah, because Justin loves his R32s, baby.
Why is that so heavy?
Because that's a shift knob.
Oh,
That's what was originally in my Skyline, yeah. So this is kind of like a little token. The buttons right here. I still gotta get my replacement button for the new Jack Ultra Gamer channel.
You're gonna have two of them that say Jack Ultra Gamer?
Well, I'm actually gonna put Jack Ultra Motive on this new Jack Ultra Gamer one. That way I have a Jack Ultra Motive 100K one, Jack Ultra Motive Million, and then I have a Jack Ultra Gamer.
I didn't know
if you guys do some thinking, you guys will understand what I'm going for with that. But yeah, we hit 100K on the gaming channel. YouTube, where's my button?
Can I touch your...
Yeah, you could touch it. You could also have a Logitech mouse if you want. I kind of have extras right there.
That ass?
Yeah.
Which one?
Up to you.
What the fuck? Thank you, Jack.
Sharing is caring. Yo, go check out Logitech. They the homies for real.
Well, if it's black, I guess it'll work, so.
Yeah, it should.
That's sick. Thank you, Jack.
Hey, we're filming the setup tour. Hey, it's lit now.
Status from right here, bro.
Oh yeah, he.
Ultramotive sign.
Oh yes. Who's Nasty Fox right up in here?
I'm in comfort mode. After that fucking miserable hot car, dude. It's horrible.
Sorry.
It's not your fault.
It is.
I mean, it is my fault.
Well, I rode in your car. I could have ridden with him the whole time.
Oh yeah, that's true. It's his fault. Completely
Yeah, it's
his
his
fault.
fault, yeah.
Completely
To be
his
fair,
fault.
you offered, so
I was gonna say-
Oh, okay, it's my fault. It's my
it's his
fault.
But I didn't ask him to ride with me, so therefore it's my fault.
Oh, it's his fault. It's his fault. Yo, sick sim, Brandon.
Thank you.
Where's your steering wheel?
Don't need it.
Logitech, hook this man up. We have once again returned to Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. We are still picking up more online friends that you might have recognized from the Jack Ultra Gamer days that are still visiting town. We're literally gonna have an old school reunion of all the OG people that I used to record all my Forza videos with out here in Seattle. Z63S with the matte gray. Bro, he's got the Washington license plate that says just 63. That's gotta be worth something. I love it. Oh yes sir, he is looking brighter than ever.
Oh snap!
With the camera too, the Super 8 camera.
Yeah, dude, this is so surreal.
The OG fans have been asking for it for so long, but here he is. The real Guy Ghost is in town, baby.
Whoa.
So we gonna have a reunion.
All right.
For real.
Heading out now?
Yeah, so I guess we're heading out. That side, it's kind of weird, but
Kind of weird.
this Prius has like 4 Apple stickers on the back of it. Someone got at least 4 different iPhones and then took all their Apple stickers that came with their iPhones and slapped them on the back of the Prius.
Oh my god, I love that. I love it.
Yeah. Yo, it's got ice cream for sale on the side of it. That is just, I would not buy ice cream from that Civic. I hope they got the SpongeBob one. Those are the best.
Dude, this is nuts. I want to see it out in the sun because, like, you guys are talking about how bright it is.
Yeah, it's pretty bright. It's almost as bright as you.
Oh my god. That is so weird. Oh.
Dude, you can tell how tall Justin is just by him lying down. He hasn't even stood up yet. Mind you, someone has shoes and the other doesn't. Oh, true. True.
You have to, like,
We're giving him the benefits. Airport shoot. At least no one's kicking us out right now.
I wouldn't care. We're not in the way.